Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amna. Today I am here to tell you about the difference between about mixture and compound. As you know, compound is made up of chemical combination of an atom of the element, while mixture is made up of mixing up of the substance. Compounds continuously lose their properties and have a form a new substance having entirely different properties, while mixture have do not its properties, and compounds have its fixed and sharp melting point, while mixture do not have its sharp and melting point. Compounds have not compounds not separated by physical method, and mixture is easy to separate it by physical methods. Compounds have its own formula, chemical formula, but mixture do not have its chemical formula because it have its two or more components. Compounds have its composition by the mass, but mixture do not have composition by its mass. Thank you.